everyone for joining today for this workshop this afternoon. So the workshop, how could 5G be used to benefit the environment? So my name is John Haycox. I'm chair of the Shrewsbury Geospatial group. So we're a group based in Shrewsbury in Shropshire. So we are kind of a networking group that provides opportunities for linking businesses together, working in the geospatial community. We organise events such as today on promoting geospatial sector in the region. We work together on collaborative projects and bids, and also provide opportunities for upskilling. So we work closely with CREST at the University Centre Shrewsbury. So thank you to them today for organising the event, the Eventbrite, and the meeting, and also Weira, who've been supporting us in this event. So over the last kind of 3 years, Shrewsbury Geospatial Group have arranged a number of different talks. We've looked at technology used in surveying, different geospatial applications for kind of the environment and transport. I myself work for GeoSmarts. We do environmental reports and mapping, but we've got lots of different members from across Shrewsbury and Shropshire. So some work in kind of geospatial applications and software. We've got members from local authorities involved in ecology, climate change, business information. We've also got people working in forestry and members within kind of CREST who do research and business support for geospatial applications. So if you're interested in finding out more and to keep in touch with us, we do have a LinkedIn group on LinkedIn. We've also got a website through CREST. So that's a good way of keeping up to date with the events that are happening. If there's anything else that interests you that comes up in the future, please find me on LinkedIn. So my name is John Haycox. I'll put a link afterwards to the groups so that you can find those. So obviously, anything geospatial related, it's really important to get good, accurate, timely location data. So it's really important, and I'm really interested to learn more about what 5G can bring to that, and interested in the way that people are using that technology and the new emerging technologies in different projects. So really excited to see and hear about what's happening. So I'll hand over to Pascale, who's going to give you a bit more of an introduction into the programme for this afternoon.
Thank you, John. Kat, are you okay to? Thank you. So I'm just going to give you a very, very brief background on who we are at CREST. We are the Centre for Research into the Environmental Science and Technology, based at University Centre Shrewsbury. We are part of the University of Chester, and we work on an ERDF-funded project aimed at supporting SMEs in Shropshire, Telford, and Wrekin. We are on this project. We are partnered with the University of Birmingham and Reese Heath College. Kat, can I have the next slide, please? So we actually are able to provide free support to SMEs based in the areas I mentioned, Shropshire, Telford, and Wrekin, in the areas of business, product and service development, and research and innovation, mainly focused in environment and technology, but we can also look at other areas. So if anybody wanted to find out more about that, just connect with us. My colleague Vicky Ayton, who's part of the business development team with me, is here, and yeah, so we could arrange a chat or anything if you are interested in finding out more. Kat, can I have the next slide, please? So these are the sort of benefits that businesses that have worked with us have received. From improving their processes, they can save time and money. We've supported them to explore new markets, introductions to key partners, increased productivity, etc. Kat, can I have the next slide? These pictures are actually from the work that we've carried out much with the Geospatial group, but pre-March 2020. So just to give you a flavor of things that we do, We have drones that we use to map the environment. We have a lab where analysis of soil and carbon content and other things can be done. We also work with an atmospheric chemist. We used to host similar events to the one that we're hosting today, but there used to be like networking events in the evening every 2 months. So you can see actually John speaking at one of our events previously. We hope that we will be able to relaunch that in the next couple of months if things go well generally. So yeah, Kat, next slide, please. And here are the contact details for Vicky and myself. So if you want to find out anything about the support we offer or want to chat about project ideas, technology, connect with any of the speakers, please drop us a line. Next slide. Okay. And this is the program for today. We're actually really excited to have Spring present about their accelerator and give us an overview of what 5G is. And after that, we'll have 4 projects that are actually already using 5G in the environment and health. Each section will be followed with questions and answers, and Chris Taylor from Shropshire Council is going to wrap up the session with an opportunity for discussion and networking.